Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be solving a problem about isosceles triangles. We're going to be taking a look about the theory of isosceles triangles, the theorem, right? And we're going to see its converse as well in order to be solving problems regarding this type of triangles. So let's begin. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're going to be tackling the problem you see here on the right? We're going to be given two congruent sides of a triangle, which we already know that is the definition of isosceles triangles. And we're also going to be taking a look at the concept of the theorem behind isosceles triangles. So whenever we have an isosceles triangle, like in this case, AB and BC are congruent, meaning that this triangle is isosceles, we're going to see that the opposite angles to these two sides, so angle BAC and BCA, are going to be congruent as well, right? So again, guys, whenever we have a triangle, any given triangle, and we have two congruent sides, the opposite angle to those sides are also going to be congruent. Very, very important. Now let's take a look at this problem here, and we're going to call it A, B, C as well. Now, they're asking us to find the value of x and find the measurements of all the angles. Now, because AB is congruent to BC, we also know that its opposite angles, as we saw in the theorem right here, are also going to be congruent. So the opposite angle to BC is going to be this one. So in this case, we're going to have that BAC is congruent to, and then we have AB, its opposite angle is going to be BCA, so it's going to be this one, and that is going to be congruent to the other one, right? So AB is the measurement of angle BCA is going to be equal to the measurement of angle BAC. And now that we do that, we can actually substitute for the values we have. So BCA is AX minus 16, and that is going to be equal to BAC, which is 4x plus 20. And we're just going to solve the equation. So we have 8x minus 4x is equal to 20, and then plus 16. So we have 4x is equal to 20 plus 16, which is going to be 36. Now we have that x is equal to 36 divided by 4, which is going to give us a value of 9. So now we found that the value of x is going to be 9. Now we're also told to find, we're also asked to find the measurement of all the angles inside the circle, right? So in order to find the measurement of angle BAC, we just have to substitute. So it's going to be 4x plus 20. So it's going to be 4 times 9 plus 20. So 36 plus 20 is going to be 56 degrees. Now, if we're doing this problem correctly, whenever we substitute in BCA, so this angle right here, it also has to give us an answer of 56. But let's just verify that to make sure that we have done this properly. So the measurement of angle BCA is going to be 8x minus 16. So it's going to be 8 times 9 minus 16, which is going to be 72 minus 16. And we know that that is 56 degrees as well. So we have done it properly. Now we know that this angle is 56 degrees. And we also know that this angle is also 56 degrees. Sorry. So how can we find this angle right here? Now, because of the triangle angle sum theorem, we know that the measurement of the three angles is going to be 180. So 180 minus 56 degrees minus 56 degrees is going to give us the measurement of angle ABC, which is the one we're finding right here. So 180 minus 56 is going to give us an answer of 68 degrees. And that is going to be the measurement of ABC. And that is pretty much it, how we use the properties of triangles and the theorems of isosceles triangles, specifically to find the angles inside a triangle. Okay, guys, so that's basically it for today. Make sure you rewatch the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!